Good afternoon and welcome to Poncie's Family Vlog. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a special Mexican treat. Some delicious salsa. Here we got a couple of tomatoes, some tomatillos. Then we're going to put these little guys in there, move them around a bit. Notice the color on the chilies. We're ready to come out. Put these little guys in the blender. We got our tomatoes, tomatillo, and the chilies in there. We're gonna add the rest of the ingredient. We're gonna add some minced garlic, some salt, cilantro, a little bit of water. Tasty Poncie special salsa. Did you like our video? Please leave us a like.